Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. Please open your workbooks today. As you know that we have been doing the exercises of Sour Graves on our book. Today we will be doing the exercises of the same lesson from workbooks. Okay. So the first activity to be done is about subject, object and predicate. Okay, let's recall about their definitions. Subject, as I told you, is of a sentence is the person, place or thing or idea that is performing the action. So subject in a nutshell is a performer of the action, and object is the receiver of the action, and predicate is a part of sentence or clause containing verb and stating something about subject. Predicate is the whole part of the sentence which is having verb in it and is stating or telling or explaining us about subject, right? So in this exercise, what they want us to do, the subjects are missing from the sentences below. Use one adjective and one picture clue to complete the sentences. Students, can you see that they have given us pictures clue and they have mentioned adjectives at the same time. What are the adjectives? Adjectives add more about the value of subject. They tells us more about subject, like the word is colorful, popular, famous and playful. So the first blank is Dash chewed up the frisbee. Can you see in this picture who is chewing up the frisbee? That dog is chewing up the frisbee, and it seems that it is playful dog. So we can write here as a subject, the playful puppy chewed up the frisbee. Okay, playful is our adjective which they have given us, and puppy is our subject. B is Dash operated on my knee. Can you see in the picture who is operating in the picture? The doctor is operating and he is famous. So we can say the famous doctor operated on my knee. The third blank is Dash sang a sweet song. Who sang a sweet song? That is the bird. And also they want us to add colorful along with bird. So we will say the colorful bird sang a sweet song. The last one which is left is Dash performed an amazing trick. The last picture is about some magician, right? And he is popular as well. So we will say the popular magician performed an amazing trick. Did you understand the activity? What we did here? We added subject along with given adjectives, right? Okay. The next question is choose suitable verbs for each subject below. Add an object to complete the sentences. Now they have given us verbs and they want us to talk or to add objects in the sentences. Here in the first exercise, we added subjects plus adjectives, and now we are going to add, they have given us verbs and we are going to add objects. And what are objects? They are the receiver of action. Okay, we will do, and inshallah you will understand. They have given us words: buttered, caught, drained, scolded. A. The elderly woman, we will pick the verb scolded from the box. Scolded. The lazy boy or the happy boy, or anything you can add in the object. The lazy boy is our object, right? B is my sister. We will pick buttered from the box. Buttered what do we need to butter? 2 slices of bread. Students, these 2 slices of bread is our object. Third is Bilal and Salim. We will pick caught from the box. Caught a partridge. Students, partridge is a bird and it is our object. The last is the corporation workers. We will pick the word drained, which is a verb, from the box. Drained the tank. The tank is object. Students, if you want to know about the object, you will have to think about the verb, the action. Okay, so that is why they have given us verbs in the boxes. Hope you have understood this activity. At the same time, the last activity is about predicates. This is again very easy, the same as you have done in the worksheets and on the book exercises as well. Students, as I told you that predicate is a part, why I am again and again repeating the exercises, so that they will be the part of your memory. Okay, we have to memorize definitions, so that whenever we are going to do our exercises, it will be easier for us to solve them. Okay, as I said, that predicate is a part of sentence or clause containing a verb, always containing a verb in it. Okay, and is all explaining about subject. So if while underlining the predicate, if you just separate the subject, the rest of the sentence will be your predicate. Got it? This is just like a clue. Okay, the first one is Thomas, Mike, Jacob and Simon went hunting. See, Thomas, Mike, Jacob and Simon are our subject. If we exclude them, what is left? Went hunting, it is our predicate. Okay. B, they captured a ferocious black and yellow tiger. Who is subject in this sentence? They. If we exclude in our mind the subject, the rest of the sentence from captured till tiger is our predicate. And it is at the same time giving us the whole sense, having a verb captured in it, and the whole sentence is talking about subject they. See, the famous man opened the present with care. What is subject here? The famous man. When you exclude it, then the rest of sentence from opened to care is our predicate. And this sentence is talking about subject. The captain smartly saluted his superior officer. What is subject here? The captain. Students, you will underline from smartly. Okay? You will underline from smartly saluted his superior officer. So, smartly saluted his superior officer. In this sentence, they are talking particularly about the captain. Yani about the subject. The last is the children tried sitting on the branch. In this sentence, what is subject? The children. If we exclude it, the rest of sentence is our predicate, from verb tried to object branch. Okay, so this is all about subject, object and predicate. Hope you have understood the activities very well, and they are very important at the same time. Inshallah, with some new lesson, inshallah we will meet in our next session. Till then, stay blessed.